Uh, Concerning the core various, you first need to have a token pocket. You can go to Play Store and download the token pocket. After you have downloaded the token pocket, you click on it. Then we leave it to load, okay? Yes. Now, I already have an account over here, so I'm going to take you through how to create a new core account in your token pocket. Right over here, you are going to look at the top, okay? Either at the top or somewhere, you have to see this a wallet with a plus sign on it, okay? Yes, you have to see something like this, a wallet with a plus sign on it, or somewhere around there, create a new wallet, okay? So you click on that wallet with a plus sign, you click on it. Now this interface will show up, okay? This interface will show up. So what you need to do is to come to the search bar over here where the search is and type core. Simply type core, C-O-R-E. This is the core. Click on core, okay? So click on the core. Immediately you click on the core, you will be asked to create a wallet or import a wallet. So if you have any wallet you want to import, you can use it. If you also want to create a new wallet, then we create a new wallet. But I would just say create a new wallet, okay? So you click on create wallet. Now it will take you to the create way, okay, page over here. Then you click on at the top there, create a wallet, okay? Create wallet. We click on the create wallet. Here there are settings you need to do. The first one is to name your wallet. So here you can write your name, you can write something else. In fact, something that pleases you. It can be your name, your nickname, something as a wallet name, okay? So let me write Hayward. Okay, let me write Hayward2 here. That is, let's say, the wallet name. Now, the next is set password. You need to have a password for your wallet, okay? Yes, for your wallet. You will need the password when you are withdrawing and also doing some smart contracting on your wallet. So you type your password over here. So let me take something like this. Then let's go to the next, repeat password. So the password you just inserted, you have to enter the same password again, okay? So you come to the next and then you enter the password again. Now you have to you are going to take this round area over there and then click on create wallet, okay? So we are going to take this and then click on create wallet, okay? Now you can watch the video, but we understand what the video is about, okay? So you can watch it and then click on understood, okay? Down here you will see understood. Now these are secret recovery backup message for you, and you have to make sure you have answered them, okay? You have to take them one after the other. And what does it say? It says that it's going to give you a 12 phrase of which you need to keep it very well. If you lose the secret recovery phrase, your asset will be gone. Number two, if you share your secret phrase with someone else, your assets or coins in this wallet can be stolen. And it is your responsibility to keep the secret phrase safe. So you take all the three and then click on generate mnemonic. Okay, now the next part is this particular place, okay? This particular place, you need to copy the secret recovery phrase, and to see it you need to put your hand on it like this. You can also click on copy secret, secret. So you take all and then confirm, then you click on the copy, okay? It will copy to clipboard. Now you have to paste it somewhere, you have to keep it somewhere very safe, okay, because you'll be asked to enter all these things back, okay, to confirm that you have backed backup them. So I'm going to paste it somewhere. Let me search for my notes. Okay, you should note that you should write it somewhere nobody will see it. Yes, because even if it's in your note, someone can get access to your phone and copy your wallet address. So make sure you are keeping it very safe. I am already using this particular wallet for education purposes. It's not wallet that I'm going to use, okay? That is why I'm doing something like that. So let's come back. Now over here, you click on completed. You see down here, you are going to click on completed backup. Verify it now, okay? So we completed backup. Now look, you have to enter it accordingly, okay? So I'll be looking at it here and then enter it, select it. So spider type once. Now come here, then you click on the spider, okay, type once. Then you look at the other. You have to do it accordingly. Trade tumble cancel. Trade tumble cancel. What again? Orphan next laugh. So orphan next and then laugh. Then we are left with 3, which is train scorpion arctic. So train scorpion and arctic. Then you click on confirm. Creating. So that is it. The wallet has been saved. The wallet has been saved. Now that the wallet has been saved, okay, you click at the top here. Sorry. You click on the call, okay? This is the call that we have here. And this is the coin call various will be given to you. You can withdraw, sell it, and keep the money. In fact, a lot of money will be given. So we are going to look at it, okay? So this is the call. You tap on the call, and on this page that will show up, you click on receive. Down there you see receive. Click on the receive. Now when you click on the receive button, it will give you the receiver wallet address. It means when we are sending the wallet address, we are sending call to this address, it will come to your wallet, okay? So this is the address that you have to give to other people to send you call, okay? This is it. So you have to copy this by clicking the copy. You click on the copy, okay? Confirm, you copy, okay? So after copying, send this wallet address to me, okay? Send this wallet address to me. I will forward it to my leader, okay? I'll forward it to my leader to give you the gas fee for the registration on call various. Yes, registration normally needs the gas fee, okay? Normally needs the gas fee. But this gas fee, my leader is going to pay it for you. So immediately you create the wallet, make sure you transfer this wallet address to me, okay? Or we have a group. Go to the group, paste the wallet address in the group. You can forward it to me, and then I will forward it to him. He will send call to your wallet. Yes. When you come over here, okay, when you come to your call, you will have to see some small call over here in your account. And that is what we are going to use as the gas fee, okay? That is what we are going to use as the gas fee. Now, after this is done, okay, after this is done and you have copied your wallet address, all that you need to do is send it to me. After you have sent to me and you have received your call, okay, and you have received your call, the next thing to do is click on Discover. Okay, you are going to click on Discover, then copy the referral link, the call various link that I sent to you. That is what you are going to copy. You click on there. Okay, this is it. And after you have copied the link, let's check how the link looks like, because that is what I'll be sending out. Or when you even look in the description part of the video, you are going to see this particular link. In this video, you are going to learn how to get a free 10 call. So don't joke with it. Free gas fee and free 10 call. So you come down here, and then let me come here. The link will always be in the description part of the video, so don't worry. Just go in the description part of the video, copy the link, come here, paste it in your token pocket, and you are ready to go. So let's look at this particular place. I sent it to few people. Let me go to this place. Yes. So if you have received a message like this from me, okay, you will see the link somewhere here. Okay, you see the link somewhere here. This is the link. Okay, this is the link. So you click on it like this, okay, to copy the link. After you have copied the link, you come back to this particular place. Okay, you come to this particular place, and then you enter it at the top here where it is written enter a URL or visit DAP at the top there. Okay, at the top there. So you click here, and then you enter the link that you copied from there over here. You copy the link over here. After you have copied the link, please follow it closely, because you are going to receive free 10 call. Okay, 10 call for free, and also a gas fee for free. So you enter the link over there. Link is in the description part of the video, or you can even chat me for it. My line is there. Then you click on go. You have to launch it. Immediately you do this, there will be a prompt like this one. So you click on continue. Continue. Now this page will show up and will tell you to register now. Okay, register now. So you click on the register now, and this is where you have to pay the gas fee. Okay, this is where the gas fee will come in. All right, this is where the gas fee will come. So you click on confirm password. Okay, you click on confirm password. All right, yes, already I have, yes, okay, I have an account. Okay, so this is where you are going to do your registration. You click on confirm password. After you have clicked on confirm password and you are done, okay, your page will show up. So you look at the top there. Okay, just look at the top there, and then click on wallet statistics. Okay, wallet statistics. Okay, so this will be the part 1 of this particular video. This will be the part 1 of this particular video. Yes. Then the next phase will be the part 2. Okay, the next phase will show you how to do the registration. Okay, the first part is how to create the wallet and get your wallet address, your core wallet address, okay, for the gas fee. Then the second part will be how to do the registration and get the 10 core reward. Okay, 10 core reward. Yes, so I will end here for now. We will meet in our next video.